Turkish real estate companies don't mention about after-sale services, some of them too, but they give poor services. And today we are here to show you one of our after-sale services and how much we have spent. Hello, this is me Ece.
Hi, and this is me Adem from Summer Home Real Estate. Today in the booth of this car we have loads of goodies to fit into the apartment, and we will show you the process of how we do the after-sale services and what it costs. And if you're ready, let's begin.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
So you can see on the table we have various bags. One is from IKEA, we have one from Batan, we have another one from
English
Home, and we have another one from
Madame Coco.
Madame Coco. So why do we have different bags, or why did we shop from different places? Well, we're going to explain to you why we did that. Why did we do it? Because many things from IKEA is, compared to the quality, it's really good, and you can actually buy all of these things online. But because we didn't have much time, because we have a tenant that will be coming soon, we didn't have the time to buy it off the internet. So that's why we had to go all the way to Antalya. Yes, if you want to go to IKEA, you have, if you're living in Alanya, you have to go to Antalya to shop in IKEA. So we drove all the way there. After work, we did all of our shopping, and then we've already fitted most of those things. We'll show you that in a minute after we show you what we've bought here. And well, we'll start with what we've got. So firstly, we want to start with Ece, see what we have from Madame Coco. Right?
Yeah, I would like to show you first of all my favorite coffee glass.
Mugs.
Yeah, coffee mugs.
So we got two sets of that because in this apartment we're planning to have 2 people or maybe one baby as well, so like as a small family. So we got a set of 4 or 6, and you can see we have small bits and bobs there. And is that all? So you've shown that. Okay, so we had to get a tencere. I don't know the English name for it, but I'll show you what it looks like over here, and we'll unbox it here for you. So we already have a few pans, and we'll show you how that goes. So this has been on TV that this is really good, so we thought we should just buy this one instead. Could you help me, Ece?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you very much. So yeah, here we go. Put the lid, and of course we will wash this before we put it in, and before we deliver it to the tenants. As you can see, it's really good. It's supposed to be like this volcanic something where it doesn't stick. So we thought maybe we should just try to get the best for the price, and yeah, that's what we got. So that's another one here. And show them, Ece, what we've got.
Yeah, tea maker.
Yes, a kettle and tea brewer, tea maker over here. You might be thinking, well, why didn't we just get metal bottom and metal top? Well, the metal bottom and metal top would be more expensive, and normally glass is kind of like more expensive, but this was actually cheaper, so this is why we got this one. And Fakir is a really good brand, and yeah, that's why we chose this from Batan. They didn't have it in IKEA or any of the other stores. So we'll leave that over here. And Ece,
This is not for kitchen, but
it's enough for the kitchen, but it's a hair dryer. Me and Ece picked this one because for the price, this was the best we could buy. And although there were other similar ones, it wasn't working as good. And of course, girls and women would like to dry their hair.
yeah, really important for us.
That's why this one was the best option. And
Yes, let's continue.
I think from Madame Coco was this, or was it from English Home?
It was from Madame Coco.
Yeah, so we have sugar. I'll show you over here. So we have sugar, just in case tenants will use. So that's why we got this one, and we're gonna fit it in here because it just looks very nice and it will fit the house. You know, instead of having this is a better option. And so we're done with this one. We are done with this bag. So let's show them this one. Oh, a very small one. Yes.
For me, yeah.
So this is from English Home, and this is we thought like we needed a small sort of pan so we can use it for boiling the eggs because you know who doesn't want eggs in the morning. So here we go. So
Adem, I think not for only eggs. They can make a sauce.
yeah, exactly. They can
Or
use this for sauce
yeah,
as well.
whenever he or
And
she
it's
wants.
quite big and it's very nice
It's
size,
small, but I think very
but very useful.
yeah useful.
So let's put this down here. Oh my god, I have so many bags.
Good.
And this isn't half what we bought, right? You know, we bought so many things. This is like just small things.
Yeah,
So this is also from English Home.
and this is very high quality.
yes, this is
Yeah.
very high quality. You can see it. It's so soft and it's completely from cotton, 100% cotton. And we thought maybe this would be the best option to buy because you know who doesn't want to dry in a nice lovely towel.
This was a bit expensive than other, but very
Yes,
high
it was a
quality.
bit
That's
expensive.
why. Yeah.
How much was it? I think I have the price tag over here. It was 300 lira per towel, and we got two because, like I said, we have two people, and also we have spare white ones in the dressing room, stored over there.
And lastly,
And lastly, we have. Oh,
Not lastly.
Not lastly. Oh, we have something else. Oh yeah, a lemon squeezer. So, you know, or a juicer. You know, it's very nice. It matches the theme of the house. It's brown, and you know, it's like one of the cheapest things you can buy, and you know, it's just something you need in the house.
and Adem chose the same color, by the way.
Yeah. So over here. Lastly, what we have to show you is we got bathroom floor mats. This is for when you're out the shower, and this one is for like the small pathway it has. So yeah, let's do it together. So I'm gonna put them, and yeah, you can see how it fits and see if you like it or not. So wait, which one's the big one, which one's small? Okay, this one's the small one. So this is gonna fit right over here. So this is how it's gonna fit. And this one is over here. Oh man, that looks beautiful. Okay. So what do you guys think? You know, does it suit the bathroom? And let me know in the comments if you think it's nice or not. If you have any recommendations for anywhere in the apartment, like, oh, maybe this could be better, or hey, you forgot this or something, just let us know. Yeah, and this is very nice and shaggy. So.
And Adem, before you leave, can you show these flowers behind you?
Oh yeah.
I really like.
This is the shower place, and this bathroom has like a little area here where you can stack things over here. So we got some of these fake plants because we didn't buy the real ones because of course you're showering here and they'll probably die from, you know, they'll probably drown. So we got some fake plants here. We're gonna get more. We got these like vine leaves here, which will add them as well. We have two more.
Yeah, it was my idea, by the way.
Yes, it was. And sometimes you just gotta listen to women. You know, they just know, and that's why I'm very thankful to have Ece. So yes, let's show you around the apartment. Okay, then well, we're basically finished. We just have to throw all the boxes. But before we end the video and throw the boxes, I mentioned that in the beginning of the video we'll show you how much things cost. So we went to Adem Ece and we spent around 3,800 lira. But with the 3,800 lira, we got plates, we got pans, we got salt, pepper shakers, everything. We got hangers. What else did we get? We got the plants, and we got the knives and forks from here, which we can show you in a minute. All of them here are here. And we have a few other things, we'll write them down as well. And then we went to English Home, and in English Home we got the towels and the mats, the floor mats, which were 840 Turkish lira. Then we went to Madame Coco, which we got those mugs and some other small bits. That was 390 Turkish lira. And lastly, we went to Vatan. We got the hair dryer, we got the kettle, and we got that pan that we showed you. Wait 1 second, let me show you. It's a Korkmaz brand, which was this one. So 3 of them cost in total how much? 2,100 Turkish lira.
Yeah.
And I've got all the receipts, but I'm not going to tell you how much each and every one cost. But this should give you a general idea how things cost. And we do this service for our customers who purchase a property. You know, as Ece mentioned in the beginning of the video, real estate companies say, oh, they have after-sale services, oh, we can do this or we can do that. But that's not the case. They say it, but they don't do it, or when they do it, it's very poor. And you can see other real estate company videos where they say, oh, we did this, oh, we did that.
Yeah.
But we're not like that, and we're a company that keeps our promises, and we wanted to show you like a day what we would do for one of our customers, which is one of Ece's customers, client.
Yeah, after sorry Adem, I interrupt you. After
No.
the purchasing process, this is our second responsibilities to our customer.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. And there are also other things we do, such as we can buy furniture for you, we can decide together. Also, if you are here in Alanya, we can select together what type of furniture we can buy. Or we can show you a few options online, and we can purchase for you prior to your arrival, which we do. I'm not going to give her name, but she knows herself, and I'm going to do that for her apartment as well. And well, that's all we have for today, right? So
Yeah.
if you like these sorts of videos, and if you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, click on the bell icon. And if you wish to contact us, and well, if you have any suggestions for the apartment, or if you're having any troubles with your own property, make sure to contact us with the information below the screen over here and from the description part. And well, that's all we have to say, right?
And see you in the next video.
See you in the next video, guys.